The Tufts Studio Calendar has arrived. Over the past 2 years, we've explored so many forms, from everyday tableware to completely original ideas, and along the way, this channel has grown into a space where creativity and technique meet. To celebrate, we've created the 2026 Tufts Studio Pottery Calendar, featuring 12 of our favourite projects. Every page includes a QR code linking to the full video so you can revisit that project. In January, we start with a classic project, the moon jar. It's a form that's deceptively simple. February's project is a canister, one of our most watched videos. I show you how to make the lids fit perfectly. March, we have the bamboo pot, an impressively large pot made from joined sections. The colander or berry bowl is a piece that belongs in everyday life. There's something satisfying about a pot that earns its place on the kitchen bench. For May, it's wide rim bowls. I show you how to make sure that rim doesn't slump. In June, it's jugs, getting these right about the handles and the spouts. As our channel evolved, we began to experiment more, trying to bring fresh ideas into traditional forms. The teacup with strainer and lid wasn't about making something decorative, it was about solving a small problem and making something more useful. Then came the porcelain breakfast set, a reminder that even simple projects can stretch our patience. September, and it's olive oil bottles. They're beautiful, and I show you how to prevent those tall cylinders from twisting. October's wide shallow bowl is about taking a familiar simple form and making it your own. November's tagine was our first cooking over flame video. This project really tested my knowledge of clay and flame. And finally, December, and our small plates. This is one of the simplest of our projects, but a really meaningful way to close out the collection. Looking back over the 2 years, what stands out most isn't the number of pots or videos. It's how much we've learned and how generous this community has been in sharing ideas and encouragement. If you'd like to support our channel and help us keep creating new projects, you can purchase a calendar using the link below. It's a whole year's worth of pottery projects on your wall. So thank you for watching, for commenting, and being part of the journey. Here's to another year of throwing, trimming, testing, and sharing ideas together. And as always, happy potting!